Can you use the same product more than once on your TikTok shop videos?
Yeah, 100%. You should always be using your products way more than once, especially if you've used a product that has done well and got views. Even if it's not got sales, it's got views. Do it again, do it the next day, do it the same day, do it whenever. For example, I started using the vitamin D3 and K2 and I made a video on it, made sales on it. So then I continued to make videos on it because I knew that it was gonna help me make sales and I was taking it every single day. It makes sense to continue to do that. You can make £1,000 on one video, but you could be making another £1,000 on the same product, but on another video. Then you're making £2,000 a day on just 2 videos, but it's the same product. So you just should continue doing that. Same thing with sportswear or dresses. For example, I did a dress last week. I always make at least 3 bulk film so that I've got 3 ready. So that if one piece of my content goes viral, I've got 3 other ones or 2 other ones ready to post. So my dress went viral last week. So since then I've posted 2 more videos and made sales on those other videos as well as the first one. Why would I not make more money and more sales on more people? Because it's not the same people that are going to be seeing your video. You're going to be pushing that out to thousands and thousands and thousands of people. Some people might have only seen that second video that you posted the first time. So you should always continue to use product. Don't just get your product and get rid of it, which is what I used to do, and you taught me not to.